coffee grinder that I dedicate to pepper. So I have fresh ground pepper at all times. I keep it in this little jar here. Just makes things faster and easier. This is a little bit thick, so I'm just going to put in a little more lemon juice and a little more olive oil. Remember, your recipes are just a guide. Okay.
You can cheat a little more a little bit.
Yes. So the cooking school that I went to is in Boulder, Colorado. And we learned how to cook with no recipes whatsoever. We learned methods, and then on the practicum days, we had certain, methods of things we were to make, and then all the ingredients were in the kitchen. And let's say it was like a creamy soup, a stew, whatever. Then you had to just create from what was there, no recipes. And the idea is to use your intuition and the concept of the method of how to make that particular thing. And it's pretty liberating when you just get away from recipes and you learn how to use your intuition and your sense of smell, and you look at substance, and
it's more creative.
It's more creative.
And you don't have to go with a list to buy this, maybe you'll never need it.
So
just look at the refrigerator what you have.
That's right, exactly. And that is my favorite thing to do. At my house, or to go to someone else's house and just open up the refrigerator, usually clean it out first, then see what they have in their pantry, and just create a dish from what's there. And that's a lot of fun.
Do you do that with your baking too?
With my baking? Absolutely not. With the baking, I have a recipe, I study it, and I follow it to the T. I do not risk. I think a lot of people, either you love baking and you're really good at it, or it's a little challenging. I like cooking better because there's more room for fixing things and being creative and throwing things here. And baking, if you make them, yeah, if your mousse flops, I don't really know if there's a lot you can do with that, right? Okay, so here's our quinoa salad.